of the way he treats me. Tired of the guilty feelings. Tired of the broken dreams. Tired of the public scenes. Tired of the baby mama. Tired of the ghetto drama. Tired of the back and forth.